Hey, this is Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I bought something here to help with a project. I hope it helps with a project. I'll go and show you what it is. It is a rotary tool punch set. So, 202 piece set. And all this is written in German, I believe. I'm not sure. Anyway, let's take a look at this and see how we like this. I'll be right back with you. Here is the Powerfix 202 piece rotary hole punch set. I'm going to take this out of the box and see what we have in here. Okay, on the back of the box, punches holes in materials such as cardboard, felt, leather, and fabric. Includes 200 decorative eyelets in assorted colors and designs. One rotary hole punch, 8.86 inches for 6 different hole diameters. One pair of eyelet pliers, 5.91 inches. In the 202 piece set. Let's just drop that aside right there. Here are the accessories for embellishing the holes that you punch. There we go. Better shot right there. Different colors and makes, but I didn't buy this for these accessories. I bought this kit for a specific reason. There you go. This is the eyelet crimping tool. Right here is a lock on it. You can just slide that up and it locks it into place, locks it closed. There we go. Pretty comfortable for the hand. And this is the hole punch. Just like the other one, has a lock right here to keep it in place. 6 different sizes. So, instruction sheet. Don't really need an instruction sheet to punch holes. So, anyway, why did I buy this? This is an old pair of shoes that I had. And these are, I don't know if this is fake leather, man-made leather, or real leather. I'm not sure. It never said anywhere on these shoes. They feel like suede. So I'm just going to call these suede. If I'm right or wrong, it doesn't really matter. Anyway, got the hole punch. Turns around very easily. Turn this wheel. There you go. It just locked into place again. There it goes. It's turning now. You hear that clicking? It's locking into place. There we go. Get rid of this knife here. Okay, the reason I bought this, I'm going to experiment making a couple of knife sheaths. So, there we go. Does it punch in this old shoe leather? You hear that snap? There we go. There's a hole. There we go. Now do notice that it's not cutting all the way through. So I might have to turn this slightly. There we go. Let's see if that did it. Let's see if it punches all the way through on this one. There we go. It did right there. You see that hole. Anyway, I'm going to take these old pair of shoes and get some type of string and make a knife sheath. Just a fun little project you can do while you're watching a football game or something. So this works pretty good. I got no issues with this hole punch. Considering I don't really know what to compare it to. I've never owned a hole punch before. Let's try a different size hole here. Let's go with the biggest one. Turn it a little bit more. There we go. See how this biggest one does on punching a hole. Oh, that was pretty loud. Anyway, if it doesn't go all the way through, you can just take the hanging chad, just pull it off. Not a big deal. Here we go. These are the original holes for the shoelaces. I'm going to put one right here next to it. There we go. Didn't go all the way through. Let me do that one again. Let's go here. There we go. There we go. Pretty cool. And then if you wanted to use these, you could just take the two different parts and put one part in the hole, put the other part in the back side of the hole. There you go. Then you just get the crimper and crimp them together. Not a big deal there. Anyway, I got this set at Lidl, L-E-L-I-D-L. It's pronounced Lidl, like needle. I believe this set was, what was it? $6.99, $7.99, something like that. Where'd that other one go? I'll put it down somewhere. Anyway, here we go. It's in here. Not a bad price for something just to play around with and experiment with. Here's the instruction sheet. We'll fold it up, put it back right here. This can go there. Check out your local Lidl, which is similar to an Aldi. I'm sure these will come back on sale again. Anyway, my name is Carl. This is a quick review on a hole punch. Believe it or not, it's just a quick review on a simple idea of a hole punch. I do appreciate you being here.